Hey YouTube, today I'm gonna show you how to wax your car. You're gonna need you're gonna have to wash your car, and today I'm be teaching you with turtle wax, super hard shell. Says to apply it in a clean car and everything. But today I'm just gonna give you a demonstration here. It's a little bit dirty. I'm gonna clean it up first with some water. This is just for the demonstration of the video. If you're gonna do it on your car, you want to clean it properly, wash it, and continue on from there. So first off, all this is dirty. I'm just gonna wash everything. So all this is dirty. You could say right now having a little bit of like shine, but it's super dull. It's not shiny at all. I'm just gonna clean this, then I'll show you later. Okay, so I cleaned it. Now I'm just gonna dry it off. That's what it says on the application on the back, to clean your car and have it dried off and in the shade. Okay, so here's how it looks before they wax. Nothing, it's all the same color. I'm just gonna do it to like here or something around here, so you can see the difference between wax and no wax. I think I'm gonna do wax here and no wax here, so you can see the difference. This thing is not shiny at all. It looks like it is, but maybe a little bit, but no. You will see the difference once I put the wax on it. Okay, so first off, what you want to do is grab your turtle wax. You could use the sponge that it comes with. Just for demonstration of this video, I don't want to use it. So here it is. Here's the turtle wax. It's a paste. So what you want to do is just put your swab. Just grab a little bit. I think that's enough. Okay. And what you want to do is just apply it. In a circular motion. I'm just gonna do it from like here to here. I need a little bit more. I grabbed a little more. My cutoff line is gonna be here. Just so I know, I'm gonna mark it on the. And there we go. You can't really tell right now, but it says that you're supposed to let it haze up a little bit. Let me just make the line where start from here all the way here. It's a piece. Okay, so now I'm gonna flip it around so a clean dry side. You can't really see it on this color, but you want to dry it off. And flip it around if you, depends how big you're gonna be doing your car, but now you can feel it slide. Easy, simple. You can feel the wax slide. Now here it doesn't. You can hear it. Wax. No wax. Wax. You can hear the difference. Let me see, and you can also see it. Let me see if the camera picks it up. Shiny. See, you could tell. Let me put another angle. So you can see this side has turtle wax. I'm gonna just slide over. When the turtle wax ends, and it's exactly at the same spot where I put my line. I don't think you can see it. Oh, here you can see it. It's clean. Dirty that side, clean. Turtle wax on this side. I'll take you over again. You see, straightforward. You can see the sun. See, it dries out. Again, wax, no wax. This one has texture because it's an RB, and you can really tell. No wax, wax. It makes a difference. I'm gonna apply another coat, and I'll let you see after it what happens. Right now I applied a little bit too much turtle wax, but you can work it out. Just keep on going and start where there's too much and spread it out. Okay. So there I applied turtle wax again from here over there. I'm just gonna let it haze up a little bit. I say about a minute. And also, as I said, do it in the shade, not in the sun, because if you're doing it on the sun, it's gonna dry up and it's gonna be super hard to take it off. Okay, I think it's been about a minute, so now I'm just gonna dry it off. It has this is textured, so I'm just gonna use a little bit more force so the shirt gets in those grooves, because I could see turtle wax inside those inside the texture, and I don't want it to be dry up inside, and then it's gonna look ugly. But this is not gonna be the same on a car, because a car is smooth and flat, so you don't gotta worry about it. So let's see. You could even tell it now more than before. Hey. Let me remove the camera from here. Oh, here we go. You can see down here, super shiny. And it fades away because I didn't apply turtle wax here and here. It ends around here. You could see the difference and you could feel it. Hope you like this video. And again, I use turtle wax, super hard shell. Hope you like the video. Thanks for watching.